Hey, 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 can you hear me? There you are. Easy, easy, easy. Don't move. You're, kind of in a sticky situation right now. Yeah, that's me. Just your friendly neighborhood superhero. Listen, we're not exactly out of the woods yet. Do you remember how you got here? Hey, 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 hey. Eyes on me. You're fine. You're okay. No need to panic. I really need you to stay quiet right now, okay? The bad guy is still out there. Yeah, that's, blood, but, don't freak out. It looks worse than it is, promise. Listen to me. Listen to me. Okay? You need to not move. Stay quiet. I'm gonna make a distraction, then you go. The exit is right over there, and emergency services should be surrounding the building right now. I will be fine. This is part of my job, right? Listen, I am sure you've got people out there who care about you, who need you to come home to them. For their sake, you need to get out. Don't worry about me. Just another Tuesday, I promise. Come out, wherever you are. You got this, okay? You'll be fine. Oh, come on. Do you really want to play hide and seek? I can bring down this whole building if I want to. You'll be fine. I gotta go. I'm bored. And you know what happens when I get bored? I tend to destroy things. Haven't you done enough damage for one day? Well, look who came to save the day. I don't suppose you'll just die. It would make my life a hell of a lot easier. Let me think about, no. Look, I'm not one to monologue, but come on, how stupid are you? Excuse me? I mean, come on, why do you think they're here? Out of all the people in the city, why them? I don't... Oh, spare me the denials. I know who you really are. Question is, do they? Look, are we gonna fight or are you gonna keep babbling? Let's ask them, shall we? Stop! Perks of the mystic arts. Teleportation. Hello, dear. Sorry you got wrapped up in all this. I promise it's not personal. Well, I mean, it sort of is, but not towards you. I mean, not another step, hero, I see you. One more snap of my fingers, and I send your lover to a pocket dimension where you'll never find them. It's me you want. Let them go. So then, hero, I'll take it as they don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Little hero, posing as a normal run-of-the-mill person in the daytime, but then you put on that ridiculous outfit and go around acting like you're better than people like me. It wasn't hard for me to figure it out. Tell me, dear, did you know that your partner was the beloved protector of this fine city? Judging by your shocked face, I guess not. Stop it. Ooh, hit a nerve, did I? Temper. You're gonna regret saying that. Is that a promise? Huh. Ha! Hey! Oh, that looked like it hurt. Do yourself a favor and stay down. I have to chat with your lover. You're not gonna touch them! Really? And what are you going to do? Ha! You little... Go! Now! No one is going anywhere! Run! Don't move, hero. If I'm going down, then I'm taking your lover with me. This isn't you. Oh, spare me! The whole reform the villain speech. Sometimes, little hero, people want to watch the world burn just because they can. And sometimes people want to watch someone lose their whole world. What did you do? See you on the other side, hero. Oh. What just happened? No. No, this... Where are they? Oh, come on. This can't be... Can you hear me? If you can hear me, call out. Shit. Please be okay. Please be okay. You have to be okay. Oh, God. Hey. Open your eyes. Come on. No. Don't leave me. Not like this. Not because of me. Medic! I need a medic. Hold on, love. I've got you. You're safe. Shit, they're not moving. Why aren't they moving? Here. Caught in the blast. I'm fine. You don't need to look over me. Take care of them, okay? Hey, there you are. You're gonna go with these paramedics, okay? You'll be okay, I promise. Easy. Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. It's just me. I'm good. Bruises will be gone by tomorrow. Perks of... well, you know. God, I can't even begin to apologize to you. Because it's my fault you were swept up into this. Because I didn't do my job right. Bullshit. It's because I care for you that you're here. That you almost died. If you had... Fuck. It was so close. Do you understand that? If you died, what would I have done? What would I have told your parents? I thought I could do this, that I could do the job and have the personal life, and I was wrong. I was so fucking wrong, and it almost cost me you, and I'm sorry. I failed you. God, all I've ever done is fail you. And you're comforting me. What did I do to deserve you? Why are you moving? Stop. Hey, stop. Okay, I'm listening. You have my full attention. Just stop. You know I love you. That's why we shouldn't see each other anymore. Seriously? Throwing a pill at me? Stop moving. You'll pull your stitches. I'm listening. What is it? Stop saying that. Because how can you still love me after this? After what almost happened? You almost died. I keep saying it because it bears repeating. You flatlined twice. It was touch and go. Fuck, I was so scared and so worried, and there was nothing I could do. What? Okay, I'm leaning over. What? You mean that? Okay. You win. But now that you know who I am, there are going to be more things like today. Are you sure you're okay with that? All right, love, I get it. Now, just rest. No, I mean it. Close your eyes and rest. Your body needs a chance to heal. Oh, yeah, well, you try doing the bedside vigil and see how cute you look. I love you too. More than anything. Now, sleep.